Revolutionize your EMS production, SMTFV3 high-speed tray feeder for precision and scalability. Struggling with slow tray changes and downtime in your SMT line? Meet the JM tray feeder SMTFV3, engineered to slash cycle times by 40%. EMS manufacturers eliminate bottlenecks. Scale smarter. For EMS leaders facing high mix, low volume demands, precision and flexibility aren't optional, they're survival. With 9-layer capacity and a 565mm x 368mm tray size, the SMTFV3 handles materials up to 50mm tall, maximizing uptime. Our 3-axis platform and motorized lifting ensure sub 1.5-second pick-and-place cycles, while the compact 1,350mm footprint saves floor space. No more manual intervention, just relentless, high-yield production. Ready to transform your line? Reply now for a free efficiency audit and exclusive EMS pricing. Let's build your competitive edge, today. Reply to this email, claim your custom quote.